Here's how to exit guided access on your iPhone if you forgot the passcode. Now, I'm on my iPhone and you'll be able to see nothing works because I have guided access turned on. I'm going to walk you through some steps on turning that off. So the default way to turn it off is to press that side button 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And you can see it says enter passcode, but let's say I don't know that passcode. There is a way to be able to turn it off, but the first thing I would recommend doing is try to test out the passcode that you use to unlock your phone. This is a good option, and you can just basically test out some other random passwords. Basically, keep in mind it says you might have to wait for up to 10 seconds if you try the wrong password. So try a couple different ones and see if you can fix it that way. If you still don't know that passcode, you can easily just force restart your phone and then it'll give you the option to turn it off. I'll show you how to do that. We're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'll walk you through those steps. Volume up, volume down, and I'm pressing and holding that side button. Now I'll keep pressing it until the iPhone screen goes completely black and I see that Apple logo appear. So I'm continuing to press it, and then eventually you'll be able to see that Apple logo appears, indicating it successfully force restarted your iPhone. After you go through this process, it will just reboot the iOS operating system, and on your phone, you can from there turn off guided access within the settings. So wait until it fully boots up, and then you can go into your accessibility settings, and then essentially just turn off guided access, and you won't need to worry about passcodes or anything like that.